सब कुछ परफेक्ट था। ना कोई लड़ाई होती थी, ना किसी ने कभी चीट किया, ना किसी ने कभी चिल्लाया। हमने न्यू गाड़ी ली, न्यू घर लिया। पर लगता है शायद ये सिर्फ थिंकिंग है। शायद कभी कुछ परफेक्ट था ही नहीं। पता ही नहीं चला कब कॉन्वर्सेशन साइलेंट हो गई और धीरे धीरे कब साइलेंस एक रूटीन बन गया। Hi everyone, if this sounds familiar to you, I am Shagun Katoch, clinical psychologist and wellness coach. Today we are going to talk about four top behaviors according to Dr. Gottman's research that kills a relationship or a marriage. Number 1, criticism. तुम कभी सुनते ही नहीं, तुम बहुत सेल्फिश हो, तुमने कभी मेरी बात मानी ही नहीं। Sounds familiar? ये होता है क्रिटिसिज्म जब हम किसी बिहेवियर को एड्रेस करने की जगह पे हम पर्सन पे ही अटैक कर देते हैं। अकॉर्डिंग टू गॉटमैन हर रिलेशनशिप में लड़ाई होती है, बट द फाइट्स दैट स्टार्ट विद सच अ बैड क्रिटिसिज्म लीड्स टू अ बिगर रिजेंटमेंट व्हिच इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू सॉल्व ऑन अ लेटर पर्पस। फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन यूज सच वर्ड्स लाइक इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग कि तुमने रास्ते में मेरे लिए चॉकलेट नहीं लाया तो तुम हो ही सेल्फिश, तुम कभी सुनते ही नहीं हो, तुम्हें मेरी परवाह ही नहीं है, गिविंग डायरेक्ट अटैक्स, यू कैन से, you know what, I feel hurt that today you didn't get me chocolates when I asked you to. Maybe you forgot it, but please don't do it the next time. So, the solution for criticism is complain without blames. Your feelings can be heard, you don't have to criticize the entire person for that. Number 2, contempt. This is when you show नीचा to your partner. That is mocking them, giving them eye rolls, उनके बारे में सबके सामने insult करना and then saying कि अरे मैं तो बस मजाक कर रहा था, you were not understanding. No, that's not how it works. For example, let's say कि you are at a party and your partner calls you out in front of everybody and says कि अरे वाह तुम तो बहुत नाचती हो, तुम्हारा तो शायद काम ही ये है, and laughs about it. Sorry, but this is not a joke in front of everybody. Sorry that this hurts the victim. So, this is the biggest predictor of any divorce or breakup because it directly attacks the worth of the person. Solution? That start giving respect to each other, start understanding what the person might or might not like, have healthy boundaries, and stop comparing them to anybody, stop giving them eye rolls, unko neecha dikhana chhod do, they are your partner. Number 3, defensiveness, which is self protection mode. For example, क्या मैं ही हमेशा गलत हूँ? क्या सारा ब्लेम मेरे पे ही आएगा? तुम्हारी कभी कोई गलती नहीं होती? A partner comes to you just so that you can hear their problems, that you can solve their problems, और आप ही खुद victim बन जाते हैं. What happens in the long run is कि जो partner है, जो victim है इस चीज का, उनको हमेशा ये feel होता है कि they are not being heard, and slowly and gradually the relationship starts to fade away. The solution, the antidote is very simple. Drop down your ego. You can make mistakes. It doesn't mean कि आप कोई छोटे इंसान हो गए या फिर आपको कोई dominate करने लग जाएगा. Start accepting where you went wrong. Start giving them the reassurance and the validation that they need. It solves a lot of problem to calm their heat down as well. Number 4, stonewalling. That I mentioned in my previous video as well. You can check it out. इसका solution is very simple. You ask your partner that if you are feeling to shut down, if you are feeling to vanish out, just tell me that you are going to come in. And if you are somebody who does this to somebody else, just give them the reassurance कि मुझे बस 20 minutes दे दो. I will process my mind and we will start talking about this topic again. This builds a very healthier connection. देखो, रिलेशनशिप प्रॉब्लम सब में होती है, फाइट सब में होती हैं, फाइट्स आर स्टिल हेल्दी, बट ये 4 पैटर्न अगर बार बार किसी रिश्ते में रिपीट होते हैं, दैट मेक्स अ रिलेशनशिप फेड अवे, दैट लीड्स टू द मैक्सिमम ब्रेकअप्स एंड मैक्सिमम डाइवोर्सेस इन दिस एरा. Good news, these all can be repaired if we are consciously ready to work on this. After all, it's us versus the problem, not you versus me. Share this with somebody who might need to understand this thing. Share this to your partner to make them understand कि ये जो behaviors हैं, they are gonna kill your relationship. I hope you had a wonderful session today. Signing off, this is The Light by Shagun Katoch, clinical psychologist and wellness coach. I hope you liked the session today. See you in my next video.